Meanwhile, the government in France has revamped quarantine rules for the infected, and it is planning to bring in stricter restrictions for the unvaccinated. Starting today, those vaccinated and in contact with an infected individual will not have to quarantine at all. Vaccinated people who get infected will have to quarantine for 5 days instead of 7 and will have to produce a negative test result. The unvaccinated will have to self-isolate for 10 days and 7 days if they have come in contact with an infected person. The French government says that the new measures are designed to avoid damage to the country's economic recovery and also take pressure off the already overburdened hospitals. When questioned regarding the relaxation of the isolation rules amid the Omicron variant surge, the French health minister has said that the country is adapting and not relaxing rules.
Je viens de vous expliquer, d'abord il y a les raisons sanitaires. Imaginez que vous ayez, comme dans certains pays, 30% des soignants qui ne puissent plus travailler. Qu'est-ce que vous dites aux malades qui ne peuvent plus être soignés? L'impact sanitaire est beaucoup plus fort. Deuxièmement, dans la mesure où Omicron est moins dangereux pour celles et ceux qui l'attrapent, vu le niveau d'immunité qu'on a aujourd'hui et vu sa vitesse de propagation avec ou sans contact tracing d'ailleurs, eh bien nous sommes en mesure de simplifier ces règles. C'est pas du tout un relâchement, encore une fois, c'est une adaptation à cette menace nouvelle en tenant compte.
Meanwhile, in the French capital, people headed back to work. Children resumed school after holiday break as COVID-19 infections continue to surge. Last week, the French government had called on companies to allow work from home for employees at least 3 to 4 days a week, but it refused to postpone the resumption of classes. Changes to the way school children are tested will also be brought in. Children will have to take 3 tests to be able to stay in school. That's the total number of tests. The health ministry said that France expects to see even higher daily cases of COVID-19 infections. Last week, the country saw 4 consecutive days of record-breaking new cases, figures above 200,000. The government says the number could go as high as 300,000 to 400,000 in the coming days. WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.